Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberSecure with Lakshman. Today's I am super excited to show you one of the most important and practical lab setup you will ever need in real world enterprise network, right? Which is Fortinet SD-WAN with dual WAN redundancy and IPsec VPN automation. So in this video we are going to walk you through the entire lab topology that I have built a complete hub and spoke topology. Alright, that I have built, right? So a complete hub and spoke SD-WAN over internet design, alright, using IPsec VPN tunnel inside the SD-WAN fabric, right? So if you are preparing for Fortinet deployment, SD-WAN project, right, or enterprise migration, then you will love this video. So let's get started, right? So here is the complete topology, right, we will use in today's demonstration. At the center of the diagram, I have one hub site, which is Fortinet hub, right, and correspondent three branch site, I would say. Fortinet, which is Fortinet Delhi, Fortinet Mumbai, and the Fortinet Kolkata, right? So all the sites I'm using Fortinet, and if you'll see behind the Fortinet, I have inside PC, right, inside PC Delhi, Mumbai, and the Kolkata, right? Alright, so this PC is currently in this diagram. It is directly connected with one of the Fortinet interface, which is port 3 within each location, right? So if you'll see, port 3 is connected with inside PC at Delhi location, and for the Mumbai as well, uh, uh, the same architecture I have followed, right? Like this PC is directly connected with port number 3. Alright, further, all the Fortinet has a two WAN link, right? So this is my WAN 2 router and WAN 1 router, and if you'll see the topology, right? So let's start with Fortinet hub location. So if you'll see the connectivity, right? So Fortinet port 1 is connected with WAN 1 router, and port 2 is connected with WAN 2 router. This WAN routers has internet connectivity, right? Further, this WAN 2 and WAN is connected with all the sites, right? In the real world example, definitely you will have a two internet connection. Let's say if you are having connection from the different service provider like Tata, Airtel. So I have tried to simulate same kind of scenario uh, in this in which you can consider this WAN 1 as an your one ISP link, right, and the another WAN 2 as in your different ISP link, right? So idea here was to simulate two WAN internet connection for each firewall. All right, so all these locations are interconnected using IPsec tunnel. So I'll show you like how I have built the IPsec tunnel, but the special part in this video is, we are running these IPsec tunnels inside the SD-WAN zone, right? Not as old style point to point VPN. All right, okay, so how I have done the WAN redundancy and design. So let me explain the internet setup first, right? So as I have explained, right, every location including hub, right, has a two WAN link. WAN 1 WAN 1, it is which is connected with this router, and WAN 2 which are further connecting with this second router. So if at any point, right, if WAN 1 goes down, the SD-WAN engine detect it instantly, and automatically it moves all the VPN and application traffic via SD-WAN, via WAN 2 route, via WAN 2, without dropping the tunnel, and I would say without manual intervention, right? So, and one more thing, and at the same thing happens if WAN 2 goes down, right? So let's say if this WAN 2 goes down, WAN 1 takes over. All right, perfect. Now let's understand the architecture, IPsec tunnel architecture, right? So at each branch location, again I have a two separate IPsec tunnel, two separate IPsec tunnels are connected with this two WAN link. All right, so you can consider this WAN link 1 as an tunnel 1 which is built over WAN1, and tunnel 2 which is built over uh, WAN2 connection. The the hub location has also multiple matching tunnels, right? One for every branch and every WAN location. But instead of managing these tunnels I would say individually, which becomes I would say for any engineers or system administrator nightmare, right? So as the number of branches grow, we group them all under a single SD-WAN zone called SD-WAN VPN. All right, so inside this SD-WAN VPN, all the IPsec tunnels are participating as a SD-WAN member. So let me quickly log in one of the firewall. This is my hub location firewall, and if I'll move to SD-WAN, let me navigate to network under the SD-WAN. If I'll expand SD-WAN VPN, right, under this VPN I have all the tunnels. These tunnels are further connected with your branch location. All right, so let me show you that. If I'll navigate to VPN IPsec tunnel, so these are the tunnels. So if you'll see, like for Mumbai location, right, so I'll say in Mumbai location I have a two tunnels are built over WAN1 and WAN2. Accordingly, if you'll see the Kolkata WAN location, right, this is my Kolkata location. So in this location as well I have a two WAN connection, right? So by mistake I have done it, but let me so this was the error. I'll fix it later, or let me fix it. I will fix it later, no problem. All right, no, sorry for explanation. So Kolkata WAN location, again it has two connection, right? WAN1 and WAN2. All right, again for this Mumbai location, this was actually Delhi location, sorry. So Delhi location also has a two tunnel, right? Please ignore this type of mistake. I did the mistake, right? So this is actually Delhi tunnel. All right, perfect. So what I had did, let me tell you here about this my topology. I have done a little mistake here while mentioning the name. So if you'll see the connectivity, right, 20.20.20.2 and 61.61.61.2. so this is 111.130 is my hub location firewalls, right? And the WAN IP which you can see here, this is actually remote side of WAN IP, right? So I have mentioned last three letters of this WAN IP, 20.20.20.2. So if I'll come back to this topology here, so 20.20.2 and 61.61.61.2. so this two location is my Delhi location. All right, and keep remember, this is my the hub location firewall. I have logged in under the hub location firewall, and from hub location firewall I am showing you the tunnel, right? Tunnel 1 and tunnel 2. These two tunnels are established with this Delhi location. Now I'll come back to this Mumbai location. So in Mumbai location I have a two WAN IP ending with 30.2 and 51.2. so let's navigate here. Yeah, so this is my location 1, right? Where I have IP address 30.30.30.2 and 30.51.51.2, right? This is my Mumbai location. All right, now at third I have a Kolkata location, Kolkata WAN1 and Kolkata WAN2. All right, so this was my complete the IPsec tunnel status. All right, so the next thing is why SD-WAN IPsec is better than traditional IPsec, right? So let me explain. This is a very simple and interesting way, right? So traditional IPsec VPN, I would say old style VPN, it was a hard coded tunnel, right? No intelligence. If primary WAN link fails, right, you manually switch it to backup, right? No performance tracking, no dynamic path selection. So this was fine 10 years ago, but today our application like Office 365, Zoom, Teams, web application, right, need a smart routing, and that is where SD-WAN came, right? So now look at SD-WAN. It keeps multiple IPsec tunnel active at same time. So as I have shown, right, all the IPsec tunnels, right? So per site I have a 2 IPsec tunnel, right, and uh, it is active at the same time. It continuously measure latency, jitter, packet loss, right? I'll show you like from where I have configured all these things. But just for now, let me show you from where I have configured this latency. Later I'll record the separate session, and where I'll show you the detailed architecture. So if you'll see my performance SLA, so I have a different performance SLA. Let me try to move a bit up. Yeah, so this is my SD-WAN Mumbai, right? So I have created a performance SLA SD-WAN Mumbai, where my SD-WAN is continuously monitoring the traffic. If I'll open this and I'll show you, so I am monitoring 16.19.1, right? 16.19.1, which is my remote side inside encryption inside IP address, which is part of my encryption domain, right? 16.19.1. so I'm monitoring this 16.91, right, where these two IPsec tunnels are monitoring continuously this 19.1. And if any one link goes down, if any one link is not able to monitor and not able to ping this IP address, automatically this link will become unavailable, and next available link will take over. All right, so this is a kind of I would say health monitoring. All right, perfect. Now I'll go back to this diagram. All right, so as we were talking, right, it automatically picks the best performance tunnel, all right, and shift traffic instantly during WAN failure. So as I said, if any WAN link goes down, it automatically move all the traffic via next available WAN link. All right, so SD-WAN give you a higher uptime, faster user experience, and zero manual work, right? And the best part here is better utilization of both ISPs. All right, so uh, so in today's walkthrough I'll show you the complete SD-WAN topology, right, with hub 3 branch office and dual interface at each site, IPsec tunnel from each branch to the hub, and how all tunnels are grouped into a single SD-WAN, right? I think that I have already shown you, but again I'll show you. All right, so let's start with this hub, right? So I'll log it into the hub firewall, right? So first of all, I'll show you my interface configuration. In the interface configuration, I have a one WAN link 1, right? You will see WAN link 1, which is connected with port 1, and the IP address is configured 80.80.80.2 at Fortinet side, and on the router side I have 80.80.1, right? So I have a point-to-point connectivity in between the router and the Fortinet. So if I'll jump on the port number 2, in the port number 2 I have a WAN2, which is 10.10.10.2, 10.10.2, which is further connected with this WAN2 router. All right, and what I did here, if I'll navigate to the SD-WAN, right, so I have created a 2 SD-WAN, right, 2 SD-WAN zone basically, right? So this SD-WAN internet has a 2 member. If I'll hover over this SD-WAN internet zone, so it has a 2 WAN, WAN1 and WAN2, right, which is basically for the internet, right? And the second zone which I have created, which is your SD-WAN VPN. So under this SD-WAN VPN I have all the IPsec tunnel resides. All right, perfect. Now what I did, I have created a single route. This is the static route towards internet, and right, and I have a three remote side encryption domains subnets, local LAN subnets 1618, 1619, and 1620. If I'll show you the topology, so here I have 1618, 1619, and 1620, and at the local site I have a 1617, right? So for all these destination subnet, I am pointing over to a single interface, which is SD-WAN VPN. Alright, if I'll navigate to this topology here, so here is my IPsec tunnel. So if so this IPsec tunnel, if I'll edit, so you will see in the comments, this is automatically generated that WAN1 Mumbai created via VPN wizard for IPsec tunnel, right? Right, and I have mentioned I'll definitely make one. I'll definitely record one more video where I'll show you the configuration from scratch. But this video is just like a high level overview, right? And in the next upcoming video, I'll demonstrate the low level configuration as well. All right. So this is my if I'll edit this one, you can also edit this, right? Let's say if you have configured this tunnel via SD-WAN wizard, later you can convert it this tunnel in the custom tunnel, and you can modify the setting as per your requirement, right? So if you will see the static IP address is it's a 20.20.20.2, and it is connected via WAN2. So this is my single tunnel, right? So this Fortinet is establishing one tunnel with this Fortinet Delhi, which is one of my branch location, right, over this internet connection, right, with this 20.20.20.2. all right. And if I'll show you the phase 2 traffic here, again this wizard was also created during the SD-WAN creation. So this is my local LAN, and this is my Delhi location LAN. All right, perfect. So this is how the tunnels was created during the during the SD-WAN setup. All right. So I'll take one of my, let's take Delhi for example, which IP address is 131. all right. I'll access this firewall, admin, and my super secret password. all right. So again, this is my the WAN location, Delhi location firewall. all right, let me show you the configuration. So if I'll say interface, in this interface I have LAN interface, right, 1618.1 port 4, which is my management interface, and WAN1 and WAN2. all right, forget about this the administration access, but you will see ping is common for these two WAN interfaces. all right. And further, if I'll navigate to the network, then SD-WAN, again this has two zone, SD-WAN zone. The first zone is SD-WAN internet, right, where it has a 2 port WAN and WAN2, and this one is hub WAN1 and hub WAN2. all right. And if I'll show you the IPsec tunnel, VPN, IPsec tunnel, this is perfectly connected. all right. In the same way, if I'll take example of Kolkata location, which IP address is 133, so 182.168.133, I'll access, admin, my password, logged in. In the same way, what I did, like I have configured two zone, SD-WAN internet and SD-WAN VPN, and even I have static routes. Let's say this is the hub locations private subnets 172.16.17.0, which is pointing towards SD-WAN VPN, and all the internet traffic towards this SD-WAN internet. all right. Further, I'll navigate to the VPN under the IPsec tunnel. In the IPsec tunnel, I have two tunnels established and up. So let me show you the the ping connectivity So this is my PC, right? This is my LAN PC of Kolkata location. Alright, so I'll open the command prompt and I'll quickly show you the IP address. IP config. So this is my 172.16.20.10. Alright, and if I'll ping the remote location, hub location IP address, behind the Fortinet I have a LAN PC connected with the subnet IP address 172.16.70.10. so I'll say I'll ping 172.16.17.10. it should ping, and it is pinging, right? Even I can access I can ping also the interface IP address of LAN interface, which is pinging. And let me also try to ping 8.8.8.8 and see if it is pinging. Alright, it is pinging. So now next thing I'll show you, let's say this is 172.16.17.10, right? And I'll continuously ping this IP address, and during this ping what I'll do, I'll down one of my interface, right? Let's go to this Kolkata location firewall. This is the Kolkata location firewall 133, and what I'll do, I'll try to I'll make one of the interface down. So let's down this WAN1 disable. I did disable, and let's see if I am able to ping. Let's wait for a while. So take over LAN PC hub. Okay, it must came up now. WAN1 WAN2, come on. I'll ping this enable. Let's check this. So this one is not pinging. This is my LAN PC of Kolkata location, and if I'll try to ping this IP address, this must ping actually. Let me up this interface. I'll do the same thing of this Delhi location. I'll also troubleshoot with you, no problem. So again, this has an IP address 16.18.10, and I'll ping this IP address 17.10. it is pinging, and I'll log in into this firewall 131 network interface, and I'll try to set disable, see if I got any response packet down. No drops. Alright, this is still pinging. Alright, so I'll enable this interface, and I'll down the WAN2 location, WAN2 interface, and see if I'm receiving any drops. And see, after the single drops, the second interface, the next available WAN1 interface came up, and ping has started working. Alright, so what I'll do now, I'll enable this interface. Alright, this is continuously pinging. Now what I'll do, I'll drop this WAN location, this interface, I'll make it down, disable, and see if I'm getting any drops. No drops. And if I'll drop down both the interface, it must go down, and say it is not responding now, pings timeout. So let's up one of the interface, and ping will come up. Come on, hey, ping is, it is pinging now. Alright, so I'll troubleshoot what was happened with this Kolkata location, but I need time. So this video has already been recording from last 24 minutes, right? So I'll stop this video for now, and I'll connect in the next video. So alright friends, so this was the complete overview of my Fortinet SD-WAN IPsec lab topology. So in the next video I will take you inside the firewall and show you like how the SD-WAN members was configured, performance SLA, routing rules, and I'll also demonstrate the failover demonstration, right, and live testing between the hub and branch. So make sure you subscribe to the channel CyberSecure with Lakshman and click the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.